Hey, a quick work log from today. I'm implementing the performance challenge, and let me just find this is happening in the JavaScript chain node logic. So here's making storage challenge, and we have make performance. Do we call it like this? No. New performance challenge, yes. So I'm grabbing all the needed data. I have to go through the feed, get all the contracts that are related to that feed, and find all the active amendments for that contract. And then we select an attester that should not be a hoster of any of these contracts, and it should not be a sponsor for any of the plans for these contracts. So then we emit an event, and this is what happens. So we get this new performance challenge, and now I have to go, and on the attester side, attester is listening to new events. So they will receive the new performance challenge, and the logic that we had before changed a little bit because, as I said yesterday, a tester is not now going and checking only one hoster. Before was basically 5 attesters going and checking one hoster in the swarm, but now it's 1 attester going and checking all the hosters in one swarm. And then we are repeating this with multiple attesters, which always go and check the full swarm. So this is what I was working on today. So the second part of the logic, so basically the attester logic, I'll try to implement tomorrow. And apart from this, I am noticing a weird bug that happened with our cleanup. I didn't mention. I did mention yesterday. I think I recorded twice, so I don't remember if in the second part I also noticed this. I also mentioned this, but we restructured a little bit the files and folders and made a little bit of a different logic of how we are running these simulations. So I think that we have like a little bug there. So I'm also chasing that one. And this one is basically happening in the user.js. So every user has a certain behavior in the scenario. So this is a scenario. So they can register just a chain account. This is for all the users, but then they can offer service, or they can subscribe to a plan, or they can author a hypercore. So for some reason, for the sponsor who subscribes to a plan, something happens here. Sometimes this doesn't run through for the sponsor. So we're now wrapping it in the try catch so that we can catch the error and see when this happens. Why is it happening? Probably it's just like a tiny little thingy. But yeah, we have to catch it and fix it. So this is another thing. And yeah, that's from me for today. And I continue tomorrow, and I'll update you when I'm done. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.